Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to take partial profit on DXtrade, step by step. First, go to the top menu and click My Account. Then open the Positions tab. This is where you can view and manage all your open trades. Now, to take partial profit, you first need to have an open position. For example, let's say you've just entered a buy trade of 0.05 lots. Once your trade is running and you want to secure part of your profit, simply right-click on that position and select Close Position. A new window will appear showing your total position size. Under Lots to Close, type in a smaller amount than your total. For example, 0.03 if you want to close part of your position and leave the rest running. After that, click Close Position, and DXtrade will automatically take partial profit from that trade, keeping the remaining position open. And that's it. That's how you take partial profit on DXtrade quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.